Hi everyone, welcome back to Bike Scout, your favorite channel for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most stylish and retro-modern bikes of 2025, the all-new Yamaha XSR 155. If you're someone who loves classic looks mixed with modern performance, then you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. The Yamaha XSR 155 has always been about blending heritage-inspired design with everyday practicality. And the 2025 model continues that trend with a few key updates that make it even more attractive for new riders and enthusiasts alike. Let's start with the design, because that's what really grabs your attention first. The XSR 155 proudly shows off its neo-retro styling, with a round LED headlamp, teardrop-shaped fuel tank, and a ribbed single-piece seat that adds to its old-school charm. The 2025 edition brings in new color schemes, including a striking dual-tone matte silver and black option, which looks absolutely premium. Yamaha has built the XSR 155 on the same Deltabox frame as the R15 V3 and MT15, which means it's not just about the looks, it's got some serious engineering under the skin. This platform gives the bike incredible stability and sharp handling. Whether you're weaving through city traffic or taking on twisty roads, the XSR handles it all with confidence. Under the tank, the 2025 XSR 155 continues with the proven 155 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, SOHC engine, paired with variable valve actuation, VVA, technology. It delivers around 19.3 PS of power at 10,000 RPM and 14.7 Nm of torque at 8,500 RPM. These numbers may seem modest, but thanks to the lightweight frame and slick 6-speed gearbox with a slipper clutch, the bike feels zippy and smooth on the road. Fuel efficiency is another plus here. The XSR 155 can easily return around 40 to 45 kmpl, depending on your riding style. So, not only do you get a fun ride, but it's also economical for daily commuting. Let's talk about the features. The XSR 155 gets a fully digital LCD instrument cluster. It's compact but displays all the necessary info like gear position, trip meter, fuel efficiency, and more. You also get LED lighting all around, which adds a modern touch to this retro bike. However, one thing we would have liked to see is Bluetooth connectivity, which is still missing in this model. The bike rides on 17-inch wheels, with 100-section front and 140-section rear tubeless tires, giving it a solid road presence. Suspension duties are handled by USD forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear, which provide a comfortable and controlled ride over different road conditions. For braking, you get disc brakes at both ends, backed by single-channel ABS. It would have been great to see dual-channel ABS at this price, but it's still a very capable setup. Now, coming to the most important part, the price. The 2025 Yamaha XSR 155 is expected to launch in India soon with an estimated price tag of around 1.65 Indian rupees lakh to 1 Indian rupee. 70 lakh, ex-showroom. In markets like Indonesia and Thailand where it's already on sale, it has been well received for both its performance and styling. Once launched here, it'll compete with bikes like the Bajaj Pulsar N150, Suzuki Gixxer 155, and even the Kiwi SR 125 in terms of styling. The XSR 155 is perfect for someone who wants a bike that stands out in the crowd without screaming for attention. It's refined, fuel-efficient, easy to ride, and has that timeless look that'll keep turning heads wherever you go. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned rider, this bike offers the right balance of performance and character. So, what do you think about the 2025 Yamaha XSR 155? Would you consider buying it over its rivals? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Scout for more updates, reviews, and test rides from the world of motorcycles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe and stay curious.